My name is Yacob Mulugetta. I'm one of the coordinating lead authors in Chapter 7 on energy systems. My background is in energy and development. The work of the IPCC has highlighted that climate change poses significant challenges for energy systems in countries, and therefore there is a need to engage in ensuring that energy systems are resilient to climate change. On the mitigation side, there are opportunities that clearly are there in the renewable, particularly in renewables, and perhaps even modernizing bioenergy for development purposes. So we expect that the IPCC report will speak to the energy community in Africa, or we hope that it would, to ensure that the issue of modern energy is given due consideration in climate change discussions. Knowledge from the developing world is used in the IPCC reports in the same way as it is used with those from the developed world. The challenge we have in the developing world is that there is quite a lot of knowledge that is being generated. However, that knowledge is not in the IPCC format. In other words, quite a lot of it is in reports and not peer-reviewed, therefore there are certain limitations. However, there are improvements since the AR4 that more and more peer-reviewed material is actually coming out of the developing world. Now, this is something that we need to build on in order to ensure that if and when the next IPCC process begins, that there is a system that we need to put in place to ensure that knowledge and research from the developing world has a place in the IPCC, and that means that we need to encourage academics and researchers in the developing world to begin to publish in peer-reviewed journals.